Hello friends, today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of alphabets. When we tell to our kids directly to read 2-letter and 3-letter word, they feel little bit difficult. So, we will make a easy method to read them. Okay friends? Here we will make the word formation that will begins with the particular phonic sound. For example, we will see A. What is the sound of A? Let us see. A, A, A. Here we are writing ants and apple. Next, here we are the sound of B. We are writing bat and ball. For C, colorful cake. For D, dolphin dancing. E, elephant. Egg. For F, fancy finger. G, great grapes. Okay friends, now let us see what is the sound of A. A, A, A. Here we are writing ants and apple. Ants and apple. A, A. For sound of B, we are writing B, B, B. Bat and ball. B, B. When we ask our kids what is the sound of B, they will tell bat and ball. B, B. And when we ask our kids what is the sound of A, they will tell ants and apple. A, A. For C sound, colorful cake. K, K. They will tell K, K. For D, they will tell dolphin dancing. D, D. For E, they will tell elephant egg. A, A, A. For F, F, fancy finger. Fancy finger. For G, great grapes. What is the sound of G? G, G. For example, let us see. If we gave a test to them, we write here CAD. How they can determine this? What is the sound of C? Already they know. K, K, K. For A sound, A, A. For D, dolphin dancing. Da, Ka, A, Da. They will tell CAD. For next example, we will see. What is the sound of B? Bat and ball. B, B, B. For A sound, ants and apple. B, A, A. G, great grapes. G, G, G. B, A, G. Okay friends, they will tell bag, CAD. Okay, thanks for watching this video.